now we can proceed to reassemble our extruder assembly. So now, if you guys notice, when you're reassembling this extruder, you can notice that this part, there's a screw over here, the screw that we loosened cannot fit inside due to this blockage. So I am now going to loosen 2 screws over here. Don't worry, it's completely fine. You can loosen the screw so that this thing can be loosened and slightly carried to the right. Therefore, the screw can fit inside the extruder assembly.